Here's my 2017 SE OM Duro bike. It's my first SE bike I got. Kind of got me started on these. What I got on here, I got these S&M holder bars. Got these Vans ODI grips. Also got front and rear SRAM Code 4-piston hydraulic brakes. These are just Merit BMX pedals. Got S&M bottom bracket. And here's the caliper for the hydraulic brakes. I used this bike to pull my kids before I got my e-bike. Here's my bike trailer adapter. What I got left to do on the bike, I gotta find me, still been looking for the original seat, can't find it, so I might go with something else. And this one has an external dropper seat post. I just need the wire. I got the thumb trigger here, just gotta run the wire to it, but there's a piece on here that's broken off, so I might just run an internal seat post, which you can run through the frame. It has the holes here and up here. Make it an internal seat post dropper. So I either go with the original or I'll put an internal seat post on here. Alright, so that's my 2017 SE OM Duro. And let's take it out to the dirt. this thing did awesome off-road. These fat tires really made it not so bumpy. These are 27.5 by 3, and these hydraulic 4-piston brakes came in handy. A lot of stopping power. There you go, 2017 OM Duro. Take this thing anywhere. Woo! Holy shit!